Wasn't listening to my producer, and she told me to move the water bottle. What did I do? I didn't. So they had to come out and tell me. Welcome back to your recap show. It is the third day, but not the final recap show. That'll be tomorrow, here from the National Association of Broadcasters Convention in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the Planet 5D recap show.
No, I'm not even on.
Mitch from Planet 5D is here.
Hey, yay! Thank you, sir.
Mitch.
I paid him to do that.
Who is that? We've got.
This is Matt.
We've
Monroe.
got Mr. Monroe to you.
Mr. Yes.
But
no, he's a good friend.
He's from Nasty Clamp. Before we get into this real quick, Mitch, I flew the DJI copter. Easy to do.
Even you can do it?
Even I can do it.
Well, then it must be simple.
So, you know, it was something we wanted to talk about is how easy was it? I said I was going to test it. I did. I went and flew it. In 10 minutes, I was flying it. So I just want to let you know.
Do you have a pilot's license now?
I'm official.
Well,
I'm official.
The
anyway,
FAA will shut you down.
It's terrific. I love the DJI, and it's a gray area, so I'm going to fly them till they really do shut me down.
Not to, right?
Until they put the silver bracelets on. All right, Mr. Monroe.
Mr. Nasty.
Mr. Nasty. Whoa.
Well,
what kind of films are we making here?
Yeah.
So these are Nasty Clamps.
They are indeed.
And they're very useful. Tell me a little bit about them. They're different sizes.
They are different sizes, and the question. I'm not going to go there.
You could go wherever you want.
You know, it's not happy hour yet, so we're not going to go there yet. But what I've got is a goofy little flexible clamp here that's also modular, so you can take it apart. You can make your Nasty longer. You can make your Nasty shorter. I know it's late in the afternoon, isn't it? Oh, and then you can put it back together. And then, if you look here, you've got a standard tripod mount there.
Yeah.
So you can put on point-and-shoot cameras.
How much weight will it hold?
Do you want the conservative answer, or do you want the real-world answer?
I want the real-world answer.
Real-world answer is people are putting 2 to 3 pounds on this thing.
Okay, so you could almost put a 5D on it.
I put my 5D Mark III on it all the time. Out in the lobby we had my 24 to 105 on it, which it will tip over depending upon how far you. I mean, if you're standing straight up, it'll stay fine.
Right.
So you could put it on a with a 50 millimeter easily.
Oh yeah, do it all the time.
Or what you could do is you could take an action camera like, you know, a GoPro, a Contour, Replay, any of those, mount that on there, and then put this thing up in, take your pick, a tree branch, on the back of a chair, in a car, rear view mirror. People send me photos from all around the world, and you could use either the regular Nasty.
You get nasty photos from all around the world.
How did you come up with the name, seriously?
What does this remind you of?
Okay.
All right. Question answered.
Question answered.
And when you fold it down, it reminds me of the same thing.
Oh, all right, happy hour in half an hour.
Yeah.
So you take your Nasty, though, and then you clamp it onto something like a table, a chair, whatever, and then mount your camera,
right.
Mount your GoPro, put on like a Zoom or
and
some other...
Just like what gave you the name, you can make it longer.
You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, or... Where is it? Oh!
You can make it a double.
You can get your double-headed Nasty.
Twins.
You can only do that in certain stores. That's always store-bought, always.
Oh, God, it's come to this. All right, so...
Anyway.
All right, so the cool thing, of course, is...
So how much does it cost?
For me to make them, for me to sell them to you.
Sure, let's talk about how much to make them. If you're going to tell me, I'd like to know.
I'm not. But for you, my friend, I make special deal. So, anyways, for this
wait, hold on. Why do you need a double? What's the double for?
All right, let's say you are a grip or a gaffer and you want to put a bounce card somewhere.
Yep.
So
such a beautiful idea.
Put your little bounce card right there. Bounce card, bounce light into someone's face.
Beautiful.
Or put a little scrim, a little cookie, something like that on the back of a light.
All right, now tell me what you were going to tell me a second ago.
Well, I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off the little Nasty. And I'm going to put on the Nasty flag. So let's say you're shooting into the sun or bright lights like we've kind of got here. You're going to shade your lens, and you're going to take away all the flares. Or it might start raining. I'm from Portland, Oregon. It rains a ton there. A lot of people use these just to keep the raindrops off the lens.
Maybe you can use multiple ones to keep the raindrops off your camera. I like this. Now, what's the website?
www.nastyclamps, C-L-A-M-P-S. Do not forget the P, because if you forget the P, it's really nasty. Nastyclamps.com. Do not go to the other site that I just kind of suggested.
Right, Nasty Clamps with a P.
C-L-A-M-P-S.
Nastyclamps.com.
Yes.
Right. Nastyclamps.com.
Nastyclamps.com.
This is very nice. I like this.
Thank you, sir.
I like the whole product line. How much is this going to set me back?
That one right there, 59 bucks.
59 bucks.
Yes.
And
for
how,
you, my friend, I make special deal.
Excellent.
Special
I
deal.
love special deal. Thank you. I look forward to it. I'm gonna pick up some. And what about those? Like, how much is that?
44. And oh, wait a minute.
You lost part of it.
39.
Okay. And then if you want to add, if I just want to buy more, can I buy more, or do I take it off another one I bought?
You can buy more. Of course, this is on the website.
Okay.
You can get packs of 3. You know, you need all sorts of different options.
You can make your nasty as
So,
long as you want.
NastyClamps.com.
Ow!
That's the website. Mr. Monroe, Matthew Monroe, thank you so much for joining us.
There we go.
This is the recap show. You were phenomenal. NastyClamps.com. Look at that.
I love Mr.
You can do
Nasty.
anything with that.